In today's episode, 2019 Dodge Charger Hellcat, Mercedes-Benz GL63 AMG, Jeep Gladiator theft recovery, Toyota 4Runner, Volkswagen Atlas, Nissan Altima SR, BMW M4, beautiful two-tone Chevrolet Camaro, extremely rare Lucid Air, and out of this world Lamborghini Aventador, retail price over $700,000. What's up everyone, my name is Andre and welcome to AutoHacker channel, the only channel on YouTube where I show you how to save up to 50% on your next car. In this episode I handpicked 10 lots from insurance or auction that I want to share with you, and I'm gonna start with my favorite Dodge Charger. If you're ready, let's go! And as usual, I'm gonna start with my favorite 2018 Dodge Charger Hellcat with no damages to the body. Looks pretty nice. I like the spoiler, very aggressive. It's a Hellcat over 700 horsepower, 6.2 liter. Very nice interior. I really like red seat belts. Stands out, and that's the only damage. You need to replace the windshield. You might be asking, what in the world is that? It's a theft recovery vehicle. Somebody stole it and I wanted to, export this car out of the United States, so they tried to remove the VIN number. It comes with a clean certificate of title and the retail price is over $70,000. So it's difficult to estimate this price since it's a clean title. All you have to do is just replace the windshield. I replaced mine, it was like I think $400, and you get like a clean title car that's worth over $70,000. So I'd say the safe bet is going to be around $50,000 on this car, and it still saves you $20,000. Just wow. Next I have clean title from Texas, 2014 Mercedes-Benz GL63 AMG. You see, it's a hand-built engine in Affalterbach, Germany, close to Stuttgart. Look at this interior, out of this world. It has 3 rows, brownish color interior, panoramic sunroof, 50,000 miles, no warnings. There's only scratch on the left quarter panel and that's it. But it's normal for a used car. It's 8 years old. AMG. Just wow on this beauty. So retail price, they say it's $40,000. I checked cars.com. I see this car closer to $35,000. I found one with 57,000 miles at $35K. So let's take $35K as the price. This one, clean title car. It's a theft recovery, good mileage. It's in Texas, Houston. It's going to be for sale on May 17th. I think the good price on this one is going to be $25,000. You save $10,000 on the spot. So if you're interested, go check it out. Salvage certificate from California, but it's a theft recovery vehicle. 2021 Jeep Gladiator Sport. Nice silver color, no damages besides you see the window is broken. I guess that's how it was stolen in the first place, and there is no key coming with this car. Meaning, what do? You tow this car after you buy it direct to Chrysler dealership, program the key, around $500, you replace the main screen, and you're good to go. 15,000 miles on this beauty. Belongs to Geico Insurance Company, and I estimate it to be around $20,000. $20,000 for 2021 Jeep Gladiator with 15,000 miles, all-wheel drive, 3.6 liter Pentastar engine. That's a steal. So go check it out. It's going to be for sale in California, Sacramento on May 15th. Another great off-roader, 2016 Toyota 4Runner. It's not a limited trim, it's SR5. Though it has custom tires, custom wheels, and it's very good condition. I think it was lifted a couple inches, so it's perfect for off-road. Great color, black interior, 102,000 miles for this car. I mean, Toyota V6 4.0 liter, that's just like a breaking in. It's like good as new. I mean, this engine can go forever. What about the price? This car is still high in value, around $30,000 retail price. Since it's a salvage certificate, it's a theft recovery. I estimate this car to be around 40 to 50% of its retail value, around $15,000. So if you like it, go to carsformiles.com and check it out. It's going to be for sale on May 16th in California, Hayward location. Brand new Volkswagen Atlas 2023. Very nice trim, SE SEL. SEL, it has panoramic sunroof, leather interior, big screens, all bells and whistles on Atlas. It's a great crossover for the money you pay. You see, big screen, it has actually digital gauges. Wow, 7,000 miles on it, and it's not a regular SEL, it's a R-Line 4Motion. So 4Motion, it's easy, it's all-wheel drive, but R-Line, it's appearance sporty package. You see, R is right here, so it means there is no chrome on the car. Everything is black out. The handles, side mirrors, fenders, rims, no chrome. Very aggressive, very sporty, very stylish. So the retail price on this beauty is around $50,000, and it has a low mileage, but it has a salvage certificate of title around 50% of its retail price. Try to get it around $24,000. If you get it for $24,000, you get 50% off retail price on the spot, just because it was theft recovery vehicle, somebody stolen, that was recovered, and here we go, you saved 50%. This one is going to be in Nebraska location on May 16th. And to remind you, we sell boats like this beautiful 28 feet Searay. If you're not interested in this one, you want to look for another one, click vehicle finder, search by vehicle type, and click boat. As you see, we have over 400 different boats to choose from. You definitely will find the one you like. And we also sell bikes like this 2013 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Custom. Beautiful bike that you can buy and save up to 50%. If you don't like this bike, go to vehicle finder, search by vehicle type, and click motorcycle. At the moment, we have over 2,200 different bikes, scooters, ATVs to choose from, and many of them has buy it now option, meaning you can buy these bikes right away. Go check carsfromwest.com out. What I have next, I have 2023 Nissan Altima, brand new car, 684 miles, that comes with salvage certificate from Kentucky. It has a front end damage. Let's take a look at the photos of this car, and yeah, there is a front end damage, and it looks like it's been already kind of like a partially repaired. They tried to fix the car, put everything back, but I guess the customer who just purchased, they said like, oh, it's a brand new car, you know, I don't want it, blah blah blah, and he probably got rid of it and rejected repairs. It's SR sporty trim on Altima, and look at this, interior is brand new, very nice interior, like the red stitching on it, big screen, automatic transmission, start stop button. Wow, what not to like about this car? Retail price is $30,000. I estimate this car to be around $12,000. If you're ready to beat, you have $12,000. Go to carsfromwest.com and check it out. It's gonna be for sale on May 15th in Kentucky, Lexington location. 2015 BMW M4 Turbo, white color. Wow, look at this, with front and rear end damage, very minor damage. And when you see the rear picture right here, it's like, what in the world is that? Why is it blue? Actually, the blue is the original color of this car, and whoever purchased probably dreamt about white BMW M4, and there was no white BMW M4 for the money he wanted to pay or at that specific moment, so he just wrapped it up. The cool part, you can unwrap it and keep the blue color. I think actually blue color on M4 looks just fabulous, but if not, you can keep the white one, wrap the bumpers in white film, and that's it. Very minor damages. I don't see any damages to the rear besides the bumper is missing. Actually, bumper is right here on the side and it's new, so I think the insurance company wanted to fix the car, and again, looks like it's a rejected repair. Front damage, nothing is wrong, looks pretty nice. On the rear, no damages. Interior is pretty cool, and the best part, check it out, it's a manual transmission. How many manual transmission cars do you see nowadays? Rare, right? It is a rare beast, and that's the bumper, so you have to repaint it and put it back. What about the price on this beauty? It retails at $44,000, and the sale reserve is here at $24,400. So if you really wanted BMW M4, check this one out. I think you can get it cheaper than the seller reserve. Try to get it at $22,000, then you have money to repair it, save around $18,000 on a beautiful M4. This one is going to be in California Martinez on May 15th. Car to save, it's a 2011 Chevrolet Camaro with just 50,000 miles. For 11-year-old car, it means it's around 4,000 miles per year. It's nothing, and I like its beautiful two-tone color, yellow and black top. Nice rims, front end damage, which is minor. The downside, it had airbags deployed, the driver airbag and the passenger airbags deployed. Nice leather seats, yellow stitching, very cool retro car. It's a Bumblebee with a twist, and it's gonna be for sale in Georgia on May 16. I estimate this car to be around $7,000. $7,000 for a car that's gonna become true classic. I think it's gonna be a great deal. Come check it out. 2023 Lucid Air. Wow, check this one out. This car is worth around $120,000 if you buy it brand new. And actually this one, what I like about this, the color combo. It's a beautiful purple color with a silver top, silver accents. This one looks pretty amazing. Beautiful interior, airbags intact, lots of screens. Wow, high-tech car, and it's also very low mileage, only 1,000 miles on this one. Retail price estimated at $125,000. I estimate bid to win around $52,000, and actually seller reserve is at my bid to win around $51,500. This car is gonna be super cool. It's a rebuildable certificate of title from Florida, all-wheel drive, beautiful car. I'm gonna be interested in this one for sure. This one has a side damage. I'm not sure how to fix this car. I'm not sure like if Lucid actually sells parts. If you're gonna buy and fix it, call me up. I wanna follow you on this journey. This one is gonna be in Florida, Opal local location, for sale on May 16th, and maybe I have a chance to go next week and check it out. So subscribe to my channel for more information. Last but not least, wow, what a beauty, 2022 Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster. Do you guys know this car is almost $1 million car, and somebody wrecked it? And this car proves my point that salvage exotic is also very highly seeked. Check it out. This one estimated retail price at $737,000. Reserve on this beauty from State Farm Insurance, who insured it, $174,000, and the current bid it's $221,000. $221,000. That's more money than most of us can pay for the car, and somebody pays for salvage Aventador. That is just out of this world. I mean, this car is great. It's a V12, over 600 horsepower. It's definitely cool project. Somebody's gonna buy, fix it, and drive it. Wow. I mean, I wish it would be like in more bright colors, but you can always wrap it up. This one is gonna be for sale in Georgia on May 19th. Holy baloney, this Aventador is just out of this world. Can you imagine someone is gonna pay over $300,000 for this car? For the rest of us, there are multiple cars in multiple budgets starting from $100. So if you're ready to buy but you do not have a dealer license, go to carsfromwest.com. We have cars from both auctions, corporate and insurance auto auction, free registration, one deposit, and you can bid as many times as you want. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Andre, and I'll see you guys in a week. Cheers.